You're at a barbecue, same night, same yard, same everything. Your buddy's sitting right next to you. By the end of the night, you've got 12 bites. He's got 0. You're already itching like crazy, slapping your arms every 5 seconds. And he's just sitting there, sipping his beer, completely fine. So what gives? Is it your blood, your soap? Bad luck. Turns out it's none of that. And the real answer is way weirder than sweet blood. Let's kill the myth first. Blood type does play a small role. Type O folks get bitten slightly more than type A. But that's not the main event. Not even close. The real reason mosquitoes pick you? It's your smell. Literally, you are to a mosquito a walking cloud of chemical signals, and some people's clouds are basically a dinner bell. Here's how it actually works. Mosquitoes don't see you first, they smell you. From up to 50 meters away, a female mosquito, and it's always the females, they're the only ones that bite, can pick up on the carbon dioxide you're breathing out. That's step 1. CO2 gets her attention and pulls her in your general direction. But once she's close, that's when the real filtering happens. That's when your personal chemical signature takes over. In 2022, researchers at Rockefeller University led by neuroscientist Leslie Vosshall ran an experiment that basically cracked this whole mystery wide open. They had people wear nylon stockings on their arms for 6 hours a day, every day, 4 months. Gross, sure, but it worked. Each stocking soaked up a person's unique skin odor. Then they released mosquitoes into a chamber with multiple stockings at once and watched who they went for. The results weren't even close. Some people got swarmed, others got completely ignored. And when Vosshall's team analyzed the chemical makeup of each stocking, they found the magnet people all had one thing in common: sky-high levels of carboxylic acids on their skin. Carboxylic acids are produced by the bacteria living on your skin, mixed with your natural oils. Basically, your skin's microbiome is throwing a party, and the smell it puts off is what mosquitoes are actually hunting for. It's not your blood type. It's your skin bacteria's leftovers. But here's the part that'll really mess with you. This isn't something you can just wash off. Vosshall's team tracked some of these high attractor people for years, and their smell stayed consistent. Same result, same ranking, over and over. Your mosquito magnetism isn't random. It's basically a fixed trait, like your fingerprint, except it's made of skin chemicals instead of ridges. Now let's talk about pregnancy, because this one's brutal if you're expecting. Pregnant women get bitten almost twice as often as everyone else. A study out of the American Journal of Tropical Medicine and Hygiene found 2 reasons. First, pregnant women exhale more CO2, about 21% more, since their metabolism's working overtime. Second, their body temperature runs slightly higher. And mosquitoes love heat almost as much as they love smell. Heat means blood, and blood means a meal. Speaking of heat, that's actually reason number 2 on the list, right behind smell. Mosquitoes have special sensors on their antennae that detect body temperature and even moisture in the air around your skin. That's why working out, or just being naturally warmer than average, can make you a bigger target. Athletes get this all the time. You finish a run, you're sweaty and warm, and suddenly you're a walking buffet. And speaking of sweat, lactic acid is another big one. When you exercise, your body produces lactic acid, and mosquitoes are wired to detect it from a distance. So if you and your friend go for the same jog, and you're the one sweating buckets while they're barely glowing, guess who's getting eaten alive on the walk home? Here's a wild one: beer. A study published in PLOS One had people drink a single 12-ounce beer, then tested how attractive they were to mosquitoes afterward. Bite rates went up. Scientists aren't 100% sure why, but the leading theory is that alcohol slightly raises your body temperature and changes the ethanol content in your sweat, both of which make you smell more appealing to a hungry mosquito. So yeah, that beer at the barbecue wasn't just relaxing you, it might have been ringing the dinner bell. Now here's a twist almost nobody expects. Genetics play a massive role in all of this, way more than people realize. A study on twins found that identical twins had almost identical attractiveness to mosquitoes, while fraternal twins varied a lot more. That tells scientists this whole mosquito magnet thing is written into your DNA. It's not your cologne, it's not what you had for lunch, it's baked into who you are, down to a genetic level. And there's not a whole lot you can do to change it. So why does any of this matter beyond just being annoying at cookouts? Because mosquitoes aren't just pests, they're the deadliest animal on the planet by a landslide. Not sharks, not lions, mosquitoes. They kill more people every year than any other creature, mostly through malaria, dengue, and other diseases they spread through bites. Understanding exactly why they target certain people isn't just trivia, it's actual public health research. If scientists can figure out exactly which chemical combo makes someone a magnet, they can build better repellents, or even breed mosquito traps that mimic that exact smell to lure them away from actual humans. In fact, that's already happening. Some experimental traps are being built right now using synthetic versions of those carboxylic acid signatures Vossal's team identified. Basically, science is trying to build a fake human that smells so good to mosquitoes, they'd rather bite a plastic box than you. So next time you're the one covered in bites while everyone else walks away clean, don't blame bad luck, don't blame your blood type, don't even blame the beer. Even though it's not helping your case, blame your skin's bacteria, your body heat, your CO2 output, and a genetic code you didn't choose. You're not cursed, you're just chemically interesting. To a mosquito, you're basically a 5-star restaurant with a neon sign on it. And here's the kicker nobody tells you: none of the citronella candles, the wristbands, the ultrasonic gadgets people swear by at actual barbecues have strong science behind them. Real repellents with DEET or picaridin actually work by jamming the mosquito's sensors so it can't lock onto your smell in the first place. Everything else is basically decoration. So yeah, you're a mosquito magnet. It's not in your head, and it's not your imagination. It's biology, written into your skin before you were even born. Turns out being delicious isn't always a compliment. Sometimes it's just a really annoying superpower. If this made you go check your arms right now, you're not alone. Next time, we're breaking down why mosquito bites itch so much worse for some people than others, and it's just as strange as this one. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment. Are you the mosquito magnet in your friend group, or the lucky one who never gets touched?